What goes on in the mind of a stalker? The primary motivation of most stalkers is simply obsession. These people become obsessed with the victim, often thinking that they have a relationship with them. Sometimes they actually have had a relationship, but they have broken up. The victim thinks it's over, the stalker does not. They are often convinced that they can convince the victim to reestablish the relationship. They are quite irrational in this regard and often cannot be convinced otherwise. This is a form of mental illness, obsessive compulsive behavior. I read about a case one time in the news where an older man had become obsessed with a much younger college student. And upon hearing that she was going on a class-sponsored trip to Russia, he actually followed her there, where he was arrested by the Russian police and expelled. Okay, another form of stalker is the revenge stalker. This is also an obsessive-compulsive situation, but the stalker thinks that they have been wronged by the victim in some way, and subjects the victim to constant low-level harassment. This goes on much longer than what might be the usual period of anger with the other party. Okay, thank you for listening. Please consider subscribing.